Finding the perfect one can be a strenuous task. Fortunately, you've come across the right place, as I've done all the researches necessary to present you with the 5 top wire crimping tools. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Titan 11477 Ratcheting Wire Terminal Crimper Tool. Titan Tools 11477 is your best pick if you're looking for something simple, easy to use yet manages to deliver correctly. Its user-friendly and durable nature makes it worth every penny. This one has a unique ratcheting mechanism that allows the user to adjust the compression, something that is missing in many other tools. Moreover, this ingenious device's design includes a firm steel jaw to do the crimping efficiently and offers a comfortable grip to make it easier for you to hold it. Its durability is higher than most other tools and will last long. Number 2. Crimping Tool for Heat Shrink Connectors Ratcheting Wire Crimper. This one doesn't have an appealing look. But you would make a mistake if you decide against it based on its look and low price. For it comes with some fantastic features and is preferred by a lot of professionals for its reliability. It can handle but terminal connections, most of the semi and fully insulated terminals, which is by no means an easy task. This tool possesses a self-adjustable ratchet mechanism. Its ratcheting action is made to facilitate crimping by guaranteeing almost perfect crimping every time. The design is quite light and compact. Number 3. IWISS Battery Cable Lug Crimping Tool. This tool is efficient in handling electrical devices and cables. Besides, it can also be employed for connecting fuse sockets, load switches, and electrical appliances. So, if that is your field of work, you should look into this tool. The hard steel construction of this powerful tool makes for an excellent build, making it sturdy, reliable, and durable. This one fits perfectly in automatic electronics work because of its high-precision jaw, which ensures a very tight connection. Loaded up with accurate bore diameter, this crimping tool ensures top-notch results. Number 4. Hilitchi Professional Insulated Wire Terminals Connectors. It can handle but terminal connections, most of the semi and fully insulated terminals, which is by no means an easy task. This tool possesses a self-adjustable ratchet mechanism. This eliminates the need for placing a lot of effort into handling and operating the tool. Its ratcheting action is made to facilitate crimping by guaranteeing almost perfect crimping every time. You won't have to worry about making failed crimps as you would with other inexpensive tools. The design is quite light and compact. Number 5. Crimping Tool for Heat Shrink Connectors and Insulated Electrical Connectors. This brilliant crimping tool boasts one of the most efficient ratcheting mechanisms, which ensures solid crimps almost every time without fail. The device is most suitable with heat shrink connectors. The smartly designed auto-release system allows the safe release of the crimper jaws that never get stuck or require additional force. To prevent hand fatigue due to applying force on the crimp handles, it has ergonomic cushioned handle grips.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.